Hello. In today's video, we will explain the CNC lathe programming method in detail, making it the easiest and simplest. First, the first line, G0x101, Z2, is the speed at which the cutting tool or tool is moved to the nearest working position. It means that the X101 and Z2 positions are positioned as quickly as possible. The second line, G1x100, F.3, is the straight line to start cutting. The third line, Z10, is the feed rate along the axis, which is 10 millimeters, and then moves forward. The fourth and fifth lines are important. You will see G2x75, Z22.5 R12.5 and G2x100, Z35, R12.5. G2 is the semicircular curved cutting in the direction of the arm rotation. In the first G2, the diameter X75 and depth Z22.5 are bent with a radius of R12.5. And in the second G2, the diameter X100 and depth Z35 are bent again with a radius of R12.5. In simple terms, an R-shaped curved cup is created. The next line is G1Z45. After the bending is completed, the cutting continues straight to the depth Z-45.mm. When the cutting is completed, the tool must be safely retracted. So, G0x102. The tool is retracted to the side at a speed to clear the workpiece. Then, G0Z2.0M is used to safely retract the tool to a distance of Z2.0 millimeters from the workpiece. Finally, the program is closed by using M5 to stop the machine spindle. Then, the entire program is terminated with M30 and the whole program is rewound. I hope that you have a rough understanding of how the CNC G-code in the picture works. If you want to continue learning about CNC technology, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Have a nice day.